Hi, welcome back to my channel. I figured today let's have a Hearts2Hearts day. So here are some items that I have and I just never showed on the channel. So let's begin. The first thing I want to show is this. This is a part of their 4 Hearts Club merch line, and I received the Whispering Pages. You could choose any member you wanted. I wanted Stella, but she was sold out. And the only reason why I wanted Stella was because I liked the button that she designed. I like the artwork that she put on it. So I was like, what's the next best thing? And I'm going to show you what I have. Whispering Pages, it comes in a box like this. It's like a diary. And there's a lock right here on the side. And it's a real lock. You have to use the key to unlock it. There it goes. It says secret between 8 leaves. And as you can see by the button, the next best thing was Carmen. And not only did I consider this pen, I also considered the stickers that went along with it. So Carmen had my second fave. And it comes with the photo card as well. That's how it looks. Once again, these stickers. And you can put the stickers inside of this. Now this is the actual Whispering Pages. It's a little notebook. I really wanted something from this merch line and I thought this was super cute, so I'm glad I got it. Let's move on to the next item, shall we? The next items I have is from their collaboration with Teenieping. There was so much to choose from, but I chose this surprise name keyring, which means there's a random member who I could possibly get. And I have a chosen member's keyring. It looks a little different from these. So let's start with my chosen member here at the bottom. Out of all of the keyrings, I was like, I really like 2 of them the most. I like Fuse and I like Amos. And I went back and forth about it, but ultimately I chose Aina. So I have Aina Ping right here. Isn't she adorable? I just keep her in this box until I'm ready to use her. But now let's see whose surprise keyring I have. So my surprise was Yuha. I got Yuha Ping. She is adorable. I love her little hoop earrings. It's an acrylic keyring. There's no back to it. On to the next item. This is the last item that I have. This is from their style merch line. This is the style guidebook. Now I have 2 of these, but the other one is the exact same. So I'll actually show you the posters first. This first one is Ian. The second member I chose was Yuha. So let me show you the style book. Inside you have this chart where you answer questions to determine which member's style is closest to yours. For example, right here, what's your color? You can either choose A for purple or B for navy, and whichever one you go to the next option until you get to the end. So like, I don't know, B, A, let's say like A, and then let's say like B. I would go to this member because that's the member whose style is closest to mine. And so when I did it, I was stuck on one question, but I ultimately chose an answer that led me to June. So my style is closest to June's, but if I were to choose the other answer for that one question, then I would have ended up with Yuha. But yes, once you find the member whose style is closest to yours, you can go to that page and learn more about the member, as well as see their outfit in full. And I've noticed whatever page color that they're on, the poster that they have is the opposite color. So Carmen's page is pink, which means her poster would be a blue background. Same concept for Jill. Her background is blue, so her poster's background is pink. That's Yuha with the pink, and as you can see, I have her blue poster. This is Stella's. And this is June. This is Aina. And here on the right are tabs to let you know which member you're on and which one will come next. So next is Ian. We have Yale. That's the style guide book. The way they did these posters are interesting to me. They laminated them. It's like you can almost just stick them in your locker and you're ready to go, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.